Hi, welcome to CBXMotorworks. If you've been here before, welcome back. If you haven't, let me show you my shop. Come on in. Here we got a bike that we're working on, and it's going to have a Motor Martin frame and a upgraded engine with cams and big bore. It ought to be a good monster. But let me show you what I've got in my shop here. First of all, I have my quick way boring bar. This I'm able to resize the cylinders for the pistons, whether you want to go stock bore, big bore, turbo, whatever, but it resizes my cylinders. Now, over here, I've got a workbench that I built just to work on the CBX engine. Now, this CBX engine work, and here I've got a head that I'm in process of doing. I cut a 3-angle valve job. Okay, everything is tested to make sure that it seals and goes from there. Now, one of the main reasons I brought you here today was to show you my updated test stand. But we also do carburetors here. Okay? These go through an ultrasonic cleaner. Then all the passages are cleaned out to make sure that they're ready. All the new O-rings, seals, so on and so forth. Now, let me take you back out here again. Now, here I've got an engine that we've gone ahead and it's all reconditioned, it's wrapped up, shipped, ready to go. Now, this engine's going to Norway. And it's a very low number engine. This is number 498 out of the Honda plant. But now, this is the real reason I brought you here. This is my test stand that I've updated, and we're using an AccuSump system that goes ahead and pre-pressurizes the oiling system on the engine before you start it. I've also got it set with a timing light. I've got my digital voltmeter here that I can measure the voltage at the battery. I can measure voltage at my O2 sensors that are on my exhaust system. Now, what I've added for testing purposes only, and because you won't want to be riding down the road with these things sticking out, but I've added O2 sensors down on my exhaust system. With this, I can measure the voltage coming out, how much oxygen they're sensing, and make adjustments to the carburetors from there. Now, we're also set up with a oil pressure gauge that is on the engine, so I can read the actual oil pressure as it's happening. Okay? So, we also have a pyrometer here. Now, the pyrometer, what it does is I'm able to read temperatures in different areas of the engine. This is important so that you're not going to overheat, that all your cylinders are running equally, so on and so forth. Here we do have a set of vacuum gauges, one for each carburetor, so I can get them balanced. And I've also got my special CBXMotorworks degree wheel. This has got the same degree marks on it as does the factory Honda unit. Now, let me show you the best part about my test stand, okay? And that is the AccuSump system. This will go ahead and pre-pressurize the oiling system in the engine, okay? Right now we're setting at about 60 psi in the AccuSump, and if you notice, our engine is at 0. Okay, so there's no oil pressure. The crankshaft, the rods, the cams, everything is setting down metal to metal. It's not floating. Okay, so what we're going to do before we ever start the engine is we're going to go ahead and we're going to build oil pressure. So we're going to turn the AccuSump on and watch the oil pressure here. We've got about 20 psi. Let's go ahead and start. Okay, so now what I've done, is I've pre-pressurized the oiling system. All the parts in it are floating, and it's much less wear on the engine. Now, we also have on the timing light, we do have a tachometer, so we're able to read what the engine speed is. We're still warming up a little bit. We're still on tune. Okay. So, with this system and the way it's set up, I'm able to go ahead and check my ignition timing to make sure that I'm at 10 degrees before top dead center. I can check my full advance as I rev the engine up. The ignition timing is going to advance. So that's all set. Now we still have a little tuning to do to this engine. It's just about ready. This engine's also going to be going to Norway. This one's going to be for Steiner. Okay? So, anyway, that's my updated test stand. Okay? We got a few more things to do to it. I think I've got just about everything I want to measure, but I need to be able to put a load on to the engine a little bit better. So, that'll be coming next. I'll be back to you. My name's Preston. And you can get me at CBXMotorworks at gmail.com, or you can call me, area code 352-494-7904. Well, once again, thanks for coming by CBX Motorworks, and we shall see you later. Off.
Okay.